I'm back with another video. I'm sorry it has been so long that you've heard this voice, but I'm back and I'm reviewing this Ben 10 Omnitrix. If you do not know what Ben 10 Omnitrix is, I'll tell you that in a few minutes. But first, let me just tell you a few of the details that you might know. So, if you press the on and off switch, it'll make that sound, and there's over 10 aliens that you could pick. So at the bottom, it's a little watch that you could put on your wrist. And now, I'll be telling you what the Ben 10 Omnitrix is now. So what it basically is, this little watch where you could basically pick 10 aliens. If I wanted to pick this guy,
I'm not much for small talk. Bring it on!
They would actually talk and they would say few stuff. 3 seconds of what they say in the cartoon Ben 10. Now I'll be telling you all of the names. This guy right here, his name is Four Arms. Basically, he's an alien. He comes from a different planet where everybody is just like him. So he has 4 arms, like in the name. The colors that he has is red, black, and green. Now, these are the 3 stuff that he says.
You guys want to rumble?
Well, 3 or more.
4-armed and ready for battle. They call me Four Arms. Ah!
The next person is Cannonbolt. He's basically another person from a different dimension. That is a bowling ball with arms and legs and with green eyes. But the only thing that he could do is just roll around. So these are the 3 or 4 stuff that he says.
Cannonbolt coming through. Let's have a ball, alien scum. Sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches. Bring it on.
The next one is Hydro Pump or something. Put the comment down below what his name is. But he's basically this dude that is made out of a robot person that's from an alien dimension that everybody is floating in the air because he could shoot out water from his fists. So also what happens is that he's having this mask and the color of the mask is black. Nighttime he could basically sneak through and nobody could see his eyes because if they do, they'll basically know it's him trying to do something good or bad. Here are the 4 things that he says.
Thirsty? You're all washed up. Overflow. The original underwater overachiever. Woohoo!
Okay, the next one is Diamondhead. He's basically this diamond dude that is from a different dimension. Everybody's like him. This is the last time that I'm going to say it, I promise. Here are the 4 things that he says.
Have no fear. Diamondhead is here. You haven't even scratched the surface. Oh yeah, say hello to my faceted fists of fury. I'm here to save the day.
Okay. The next guy is Gray Matter. Gray Matter is basically a person that is very smart. His hidden ability is being smart and finding treasures no matter what. Here are the 4 things that he says.
Feel the pain of my brain. Testing you with gray matter IQ. Sometimes smaller is better. I'm not much for small talk. Bring it on.
Okay, I think that was... So basically, there's one more thing that I want to say about Gray Matter. He's this person that has very, very high IQ. Like about 400 IQ. This is my favorite alien of them all. Accelerates. He's basically Flash, but alien form. That is colors that he has is light blue and black. Here are the 4 things that he says.
You have a date with Accelerate. Super speed. I'll give you a run for your money. Gotta run.
The next one is Wildvine. So Wildvine is basically this plant alien. He's the only person with 1 eye. He's 1 eye, has like a few leaves at his back. Origin story is basically very quick. Why I did not say the other ones is because it's really long. He's basically from this dimension where everybody is made out of grass, but he's the only person that it was made like very different because he wasn't made like grass. He was half made like grass, but some human came inside of his dimension, and what happened was that he accidentally stepped on him, and then that's how he what happened was that when he turned into a human, he only got 5 seconds to know who he is. Then what happened was that he got sucked inside of an Omnitrix, like this Omnitrix, and that's it. The next one is Upgrade. He's basically this machine that can control anything. For basics over there, if Upgrade wouldn't have upgraded that, it wouldn't have been his color, which is purple and black. I do not know why. There's a lot of aliens that has that color. And so what happens is that he could upgrade the car. He could drive it himself with nobody inside. The next one is Stinkfly. He's basically this fly who could shoot out gross stuff from his shoulders. And he could basically fly, and then he could defeat anybody from high air. The next one is Heatblast. This is another quick origin. Heatblast was made from this dimension where everybody is on fire. So basically, it's the sun, but what happens is that it's like the second version, and what happened is that he grew out of the ground with everybody else. He was practicing his stuff until one day when he's old enough, quickly got sucked into the Omnitrix like the other ones that I forgot to say about. They got sucked inside the Omnitrix. And here are the 4 things that he says, and I think I did not do the other.
Ordered the butt kick flame. Fireball blast. You think that's hot stuff? Wait till you see what I'm cooking up. Time for heat blast.
Now here are the other 2 that I forgot to do. Number 8.
Wow, look at the time. Gotta fly. Oh yeah. Who's Stinky? Stinkfly. Smell you later. I'm Stinkfly, and I'm here to kick some tail.
So here is number 7.
Upgrade is like the hero status. All systems go. Time for an upgrade.
Talk about some serious growth potential. Wildvine. No way you're getting past these vinies. Green, mean, and super green.
So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and hit the notification bell. For sure, you should do that. And subscribe. Have a very thankful day.